Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Civil Graphics. So this is the part 2 of the first video tutorial. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. You may be wondering, how did I draw the line art? Well, actually this is the continuation of the video. There's a video tutorial on that, on how to draw a line art. So this is the continuation, how to cartoon your picture in Adobe Photoshop. So now let's dive right into it. You can check the link in the description for the line art video tutorial. Now let's dive right into this. The first thing here I'm going to do now is to duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Go to your filter gallery. Go to the poster edges and adjust it here. So click and click OK. The next thing is to create a new layer and name that layer skin. Let's select the color of this picture. Take your paint bucket and fill it up. Create a new layer. So we're starting from the darkest to the lightest. Take your pen to zoom. We're starting from the darkest to the lightest. So now let's trace this out. Right click, fill paths. We start from darkest. So let's cut out this part away. Go to the skin layer, create a new layer on top and name it. Remember, start from the darkest to the lightest. Right click, fill path, color. Let's take this a little bit up. Then click OK, OK, delete paths. Go to the skin layer, create a new layer and so name it. Take your pen tool and trace it out. Right click, fill path, color. Let's take this up a little bit and click OK, delete paths. Go to the skin layer, create a new layer and name it. So this is the lightest. Take your pencil tool and trace it out. So this is looking very nice. Okay, go to the skin layer, take your magic wand mask, go to the line art, select, then go to the skin, then delete. Delete, 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 delete. go to the line arts. Give this white. Let's add the background. Create a new layer. Give it blue. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.